Hi, welcome online classes. Myself, Mr. Bhauseb Dabhade, your geography teacher. Dear student, welcome new academic year 2021 and 22. Geography is a part of social studies. Part B, social studies, geography. Chapter number 1, movement of the earth. Student, firstly, we discuss about some primary information about geography. What is meaning by geography? Geography is a study of the earth's surface. Geo means earth and graphy means description. It means that geography is a study of the overall the earth's surface and the surrounding environment. Some important basic information about the earth's surface. Earth is a part of solar system. You already learned in last year solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Our earth is the third planet in the solar system. Have you ever looked up at the sky and felt that the sun is moving? Did you know that it is the earth that move and not the sun? Sun is a primary and fixed object on the solar system, and overall 8 planets move around the sun on their fixed path. हम सब लोग देखते हैं, जब हम आकाश में देखते हैं तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम एक जगह पे खड़े हैं और सन एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जा रहा है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. Sun is a primary non-stationary object and our earth is rotate on this fixed path, move around the sun. So that's why we observe the sky moving. Sun is moving. Understood? The sun is a stationary object in the sky. It is the earth that move around the sun. So we deeply study on movement of the earth. First, introduction. The earth is a spherical in shape. Our earth size and shape is a spherical shape or geoid shape. It is called as rounded. हमारी अर्थ कैसी है? स्पेरिकल है, राउंडेड है. द अर्थ इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ब्लू प्लैनेट. हमारे अर्थ को ब्लू प्लैनेट कहा जाता है. Why? Because 71% part on the earth's surface covered by water bodies and only 29% part covered with land. There are two important physical features. One is continent and another is water bodies, ocean. There are seventh continent on the earth. There are 7 continents and 5 big water bodies. It means that 71% part water and 29% part land on the earth surface. So that's why earth is also called blue planet. Next, the sun is a stationary object in the sky. Sun is a primary and the stationary object on the sky, and it is very great energy source on the every planet. Next, earth is a third planet of the solar system. There are total 8 planets on the solar system, but our earth is only live planet because atmosphere, water, oxygen, each and every good atmospheric condition available on the earth. हमारे अर्थ पे ये सब कंडीशन फेवर है, इसीलिए ह्यूमन बींग डेवलप होते हैं. बाकी के प्लानट में हमें कोई भी ह्यूमन बींग दिखाई नहीं देते. अर्थ इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द ब्लू प्लानट and it's very good climatic condition suitable the overall biotic factor. Next, globe. Globe is a three-dimensional picture on the earth surface. Look at the picture on the globe. Same, our earth size and shape same. This shape is a spherical or geoid shape. There is a two pole. Our earth is rotate on this axis. It is called as north and south pole. Our earth is rotate on this axis. Understood? Movement of the earth and solar system. This is a solar system. There are 8 planets, and each and every planet rotate, move around the sun on their fixed path. It is called as orbit. Understood? This is a solar system. Sun is a stationary object, and overall 8 planets move around the sun on their fixed path. It is called as orbit. Movement of the earth. Orbit. Each planet move around the sun in their fixed path. It is called as orbit. Can you see the orbits of different planets in the picture given on the previous page? Orbit means the track of the planet move around the sun. It is called as orbit. Next point, axis. The earth spin about an imaginary lines that passes through its center. This imaginary line is called the axis. The earth axis is not straight but tilted at an angle. The northernmost point of the earth is called the North Pole, and the southernmost point is called South Pole. There are two important poles, North Pole and South Pole. North Pole located in the uppermost layer on the earth, and South Pole is located in lowermost part on the earth's surface. The earth spin on its axis. North Pole and South Pole joined from each other, it is called as axis, and our earth spin on their particular axis. Let us learn about different movements of the earth and their effects. There are two important movements of the earth. Number one, rotation of the earth. The earth spin on its axis. This spinning movement of the earth on its axis, it is called as rotation. रोटेशन का मतलब क्या है? द अर्थ स्पिन ऑन इट्स एक्सिस. दिस स्पिनिंग मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ ऑन इट्स एक्सिस, इट इज कॉल्ड एज रोटेशन. It takes 24 hours for the earth to rotate once about its axis. अर्थ का रोटेशन, एक रोटेशन 24 आवर्स में कंप्लीट होता है. एज इट्स रोटेट ओनली वन साइड फेस द सन. The side of the earth which face the sun gets light. We call it day. The other sides of the earth which is away from the sun is dark. This is called night. Rotation of the earth therefore causes day to follow night. There is a very good condition. Rotation of the earth. Earth rotates, spin on their own axis. It is called as rotation. One rotation complete for 24 hours. So that's why one sides of the earth face on the sun. These sides are called day, and opposite side, dark side, it is called as night. So that's why 12 hours day and 12 hours night. जो भी साइड अर्थ की सन के बाजू में आती है वो साइड को बोला जाता है दिन, डे, और अपोजिट साइड में जो रहती है उनको बोला जाता है नाइट. सो दिस इज द डे एंड नाइट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. द अदर साइड्स ऑफ द अर्थ विच इज अवे फ्रॉम द सन इज डार्क. दिस इज कॉल्ड नाइट. द अर्थ रोटेट्स फ्रॉम द वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. That is why the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. Sunrise and sunset. First, sunrise. The time when the sunrise is called sunrise. And sunset means the time when it set, it is called sunset. The earth rotates from west to east. That is why the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. The period between sunrise and sunset, it is called as daytime. Understood? This is a diagram of the sun and the earth. Look at the picture. The half part of the earth face on the sun. These areas are called daytime, and opposite dark side, it is called as night. So the difference between day and night means 12 hours day and 12 hours night. Opposite side of the sun, it is called as day, and back side of the sun, it is called as nights. So dear student, today we discuss movement of the earth. There are two important movement of the earth. One is rotation and another is revolution. Today we discuss about rotation. Rotation means earth spin on their own axis. It is called as rotation. One rotation complete from 24 hours. That's why generate day and night. So I hope that you understood all the parts. So thank you. Remaining part on this chapter we will discuss about next online lecture. So take care. Thank you.